How to fix DoorDash login errors. If you guys are facing error while trying to log in into DoorDash, then the first thing that you need to do is definitely check whether you have a stable internet connection or not. Once you're sure that the internet is not causing the error, the next step you need to do is check whether the app is up to date or not. Just go to Play Store, search for DoorDash, and there if you see the update option, then go ahead and update it and see if that fixes the issue. The next thing that you can try is try uninstalling the app and installing it again. If it does not solve the issue, then you can try logging in from the DoorDash website. For that, open your browser and search for DoorDash. Click on the very first link that you get, and from here try signing in. Do make sure that you have entered the correct credentials, and finally, as a last resort, you can call the customer service or the support team of DoorDash. And these were the few solutions that you can try if you are facing error while trying to log in into the DoorDash app. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.